Jose Rizal?
So, most of us Filipinos know who Jose Rizal is. So, Dr. Jose Rizal is our national hero of the Philippines. He saved us from the Spaniards for almost 30 years of golden age.
And second question is, why is he considered as a national hero in the Philippines?
Dr. Jose Rizal is considered national hero of the Philippines because way back 1800s, he saved us from slavery. We call it slavery. To be short, it's colonialism. He saved us not with war, not with all this. Dili siya kanawitang harassment. Okay? He saved us with the help with his literature works, with El Filibusterismo and the Limitangiri. So, he woke up the nationalism of the Filipino to revolutionize against us.
Good day everyone, I am James Philippitin and I am here with Ms. Chen Yangzon from Rosemont Hills Montessori College. So here is my question, or are my question. What are the two famous novels written by Rizal and what do they talk about?
So the two significant novels that have been written by Dr. Jose Rizal is the one is the Nolami Tangere is Tachmina and the El Filibusterismo or the Paghiling Magsikan or the Revenge of the Filipinos, our fellow Filipinos. So the Nolami Tangere is the story about is the how our Filipinos fight back towards the Spanish colonizer and the Nolami Tangere exposed the religious hypocrisy of the press. You know, that there are many press on there like si Padre Salve, Padre Damaso. They are the press who have bad effects to our Filipino people. So, Nolami Tangere talks about the religious hypocrisy and how the Spanish colonizers oppress our Filipino peoples. So, the next is the El Filibusterismo talks about the revenge of our Filipinos to fight back our independence. So, El Filibusterismo is it talks about how our Filipinos get revenge and see Crisostomo Ibarra as revolt as Dr. Simon. So Dr. Simon written his many novels there, and he refused to acknowledge her personality or his identity to that time because he didn't want to be recognized as Crisostomo Ibarra. So that time El Filibusterismo want to revenge the Spanish colonizers, and some Filipinos that is hypocrite to our government. So the government of El Filibusterismo is not so good governance. So they have corruptions and oppressions and discriminations. So El Filibusterismo talks about how Filipinos suffered during that time. So now we celebrate the death of the independence. Yes, the independence of our country and the death of Jose Rizal. So Dr. Jose Rizal had a significant contributions to our country. Okay.
Oh, thank you, Ms. Chen. It was very detailed story, and here's my next question. How did Rizal show his love for the Philippines?
So Dr. Jose Rizal is our Jose Rizal is not an official national hero because according to the sources of national commissions, during that time there are proclamations of how will how those national heroes turns to be officials. But according to the sources, is Dr. Jose Rizal is not our official national hero. But some teachers or our educators right now is they teach us that our national or the official national hero is Dr. Jose Rizal. So the big contributions of Dr. Jose Rizal is he fight during through his two novels or through his significant two novels. He showcased that the educations before are not really not really effective to those Filipinos because there are unprivileged Filipinos who didn't take education during that time. So now we know that our education is more independent, more free. So during that times of two his novels is he introduced that education is really important to our youth. So his quote is our youth is the hope of our country. So yes, so Jose Rizal, Dr. Jose Rizal is has a significant or a big impact contributions to our country.
Okay, thank you, Miss Chen, and
Thank you.
Turon ang atong interviewhan karon kay si Mia Ponce og Mia Ponce na lang ko'y gamay pangutanan nimo about ang tawhan na kung makaila ba kaniya. So unang pangutana, kinsa day ni si Dr. Jose Rizal?
So, para sa ako, si Dr. Jose Rizal, kaya usa siya kabayani diri sa Pilipinas. Na ako'y nabalaan nga nagbuhat siya og duha ka book nobela nga El Filibusterismo og Nalimitang Hire kay para i-fight niya ang pag-abuse sa mga Espanyol sa una para matabangan ang mga Pilipino.
So, salamat kayo. So, ikaduhang pangutana, giun sa man pagpakita ni Dr. Jose Rizal ang iyang gugma dinhi sa Pilipinas.
So, para sa ako, naipakita ni Jose Rizal ang iyang gugma diri sa Pilipinas, diri sa mga Pilipino, sa pamaagi, sa katong iyang pag-fight kay ang mga Pilipino sa una kay gi-abuse man sa mga Espanyol. So, nabuhat siya to nobela kay mo to yung pamaagi para masuwat niya o mahunong ang pag-abuse sa mga tao.
Sige, salamat kaayo.